I think about landscape architecture, what attracted me the most was the idea that I had to work towards people and public spaces. When I was in architecture school, I just instantly connected with the idea of designing spaces for people, and the blend of environment and people was probably the most perfect blend I could find.
Yeah, the thing about landscape architecture that attracted me initially was just the understanding of how the started opening up into the unbuilt spaces. But then as I went ahead this field, that's when it exposed me to a lot of other things that are attached to it, and things started unfolding. Like the connect from just beyond architecture to the neighborhood, to the region, then beyond it. So now I can say that landscape to me is just limitless. It doesn't have any boundaries, and that is what is most interesting about this field.
As a kid, I grew up in a small town, on the outskirts of a small town, where we used to go out and catch all these insects, lizards, spiders, fish, and bring them back home and keep them in small containers and watch them grow. I was quite fascinated to look at how this microsystem evolved, and once I was into architecture, and what fascinated me was this landscape architecture is that one course which allows us to work in partnership with nature, and this I felt would bring me back close to nature, and this is one profession which allows us to not only design for humans but all the life around you.
My connection with nature began quite early in my childhood. My father has worked for forest department all his life, and I think his passion towards environment has sort of distilled into me as well. So from the very early days, there was this bond that was developed with flora, fauna, forest and wildlife. So while pursuing my architecture, when I came across landscape architecture, I think it was sort of a natural next step for me. It was an ideal choice in terms of career, but more of a natural discourse as well. And I believe that landscape is really a social necessity at this point.
I was always interested in natural environment, loved plants and art. During my research, I came across landscape architecture, and it was a perfect combination of my interests. But it was during my internship days I met a landscape architect and was intrigued by her description and work and never looked back.